Hello everyone, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this additional in today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 2nd, 2020. It's a binary puzzle, but what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there's always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. We have here a double O, here one, there one. A double O here one, there one. A double O here one, there one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Between 2 O's comes a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here an O, there an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here an O, there an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. And double O, here and 1, there and 1. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then between 2 1's comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow. This one is a quick one. 2 minutes. I'm very surprised. Almost no identical rows or identical columns. So I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it by yourself or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku of today's newspaper. It will be a tectonic. So thank you again, and bye bye for now.